Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 61. And the topic for today is adapting to tech change. Recently, Anthropic launched Cloud Cowork and it took the IT world in storm. Close to 285 billion got wiped out in world markets with respect to IT stocks. More than that, the CEO Dario Amodi said AI models could do most, maybe all of what software engineers currently do within next 6 to 12 months. My point today is not to talk about the software industry, but in general business as a whole. If you are a executive working in a company, we should start thinking how I can do my current work better, faster and cheaper using AI, which will also save my time so that I can do more work and contribute more to the company. Can you become the AI evangelist for your team, if not your company? So why are we doing this? It's not only make your work better, so you also survive in this very competitive world. So you are not going to be replaced by AI, but you will be replaced by another person who is using AI effectively. Okay. So the same thing applies to all the startups and the small businesses. Start thinking how you can use AI tools so that you can give more value to your customer, because your ability to make your service or product cheaper, faster and better, so that you can pass on that value to your customer so that you get more business. Again, the same thing applies to all small businesses. Your service or product will not be replaced by AI, but your competition who is using AI effectively will replace you from your existing customer. So friends, my intention is not to scare you all, but my intention is to start adapting the change, what is happening in this world, get prepared so that in the next 1 year or 2 year, we are not taken by surprise. All my suggestion is, can we spend 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes in learning the recent tech changes happening in the world and adapt it to our daily life. When I say daily life, no, I'm not telling you should go and ask ChatGPT what kind of food to make today, or what kind of movies I should watch. Not on any entertainment or daily life usage, which you can always do, but more importantly, how you can make your current work better, faster and cheaper, so you get more time effectively. Thank you. Have a great week. See you soon.